Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lux Obsessed. In subsequent videos I'll probably show my face, but for this being an introductory video, maybe not today. So this is a fashion, beauty and lifestyle channel where I'll basically be reviewing some of the luxury items that I'm able to cop, and I'm going to be showing you how to enjoy or indulge in life's finest pleasures, one luxury at a time. I know that for some people luxury basically means material things, but not really. Actually, luxury extends beyond just material possessions. It's a mindset, it's a way of life. It allows you to fully appreciate and savor every moment as a person. It's basically indulging in the finest things in life, which I believe should be a guilt-free pleasure, right? As long as you're doing it with a sense of appreciation and respect for yourself. It's also self-care. It's a way of coping. It can be a coping mechanism for a lot of people. Especially for people who struggle with anxiety and not being able to have control over things. It's a way of coping, giving yourself that moment of going for it, knowing that every month, once in a month, you have to go for a facial, you have to go for a spa session, you have to buy yourself a gift. It's something you look forward to and something that makes you happy after months of hard, dedicated work. So basically, that's what this channel is about, and this is also a review video of this Marc Jacobs glasses that I copped through Lavish Shopper. So this is what this channel is about. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Till next time, bye.